What's up everyone? My name is Sabrina Vellender, also known on Instagram as beauty_by_saps. I'm a Pulp Riot educator, full-time stylist, and owner of Lunar Beauty Lounge in Northwest Indiana. And I'm so pumped to introduce you to our brand new Sin City collection, created in collaboration with my amazing friend, a fellow Pulp Riot educator, and a NAHA winner, SaraJane Maples, who is also known on Instagram as Blush and Mane. The Sin City collection features 5 new shades, and they are the first collection to launch with our brand new base that features an anti-overworking technology, 12 times more conditioning, and vibrancy and longevity lasting up to 50 washes. Are you ready to meet our brand new Sin City collection? You are? Okay, I'll tell you. Can I get a drum roll, please? Introducing Blue Tux, a light blue shade supported by a touch of violet, inspired by iconic powder blue suits. My personal favorite, Desert Canyon, a marigold shade that is a perfect marriage, chef's kiss, between yellow and orange tones, inspired by majestic canyons surrounding Las Vegas. Eloped, a peachy pink yet vibrant rose color that's balanced. Not too warm, not too cool. If love was a color, this would be it. Snake Eyes, an intense saturated Kelly green, inspired by the color of money. And finally, Vintage Vegas, saturated rustic red with a hint of chocolate, inspired by the neon signs of the Vegas Strip. I hope you all are as excited as we are about the brand new Sin City collection. We want to give another huge shout out to SaraJane for collaborating on this collection with Pulp Riot, and to Katie Mansfield, the sole artist and creator of Tragic Girl Co., and the artist behind the pack art designs of the new Sin City collection.